1984 Pontiac Fiero SE here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 45,566 is all in this one at the moment. Powered by the 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Rack and pinion steering. 4-wheel power disc brakes. Take a look at the front fascia. There is a little bit of spider webbing right up there on front by the Fiero logo. Red exterior with the camel two-tone interior. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, be able to see the car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, cargo area. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on Michelin radials. Correct Fiero wheels. Now, as far as the paint, it does show its age some. There's a couple spots where you can kind of see a little bit of etching. Don't get me wrong, car still looks good. Just trying to point out that, yeah, paint does show its age a little bit. Obviously, it could be original with that kind of miles on it. The interior, very nice shape. There you can see it's actually a little more than a two-tone. The fabric interior. There's that 4-speed manual. Power mirrors. Power windows, AM, FM cassette player. This is a factory AC car. Looks like it's still R12 and the technician noted it was not blowing cold. So that will need a little bit of attention. Factory glass sunroof. And these sunroofs were actually stored up front in the storage area where the spare tire would be, the radiator. And you'll see that in the still pictures. We have the sunroof popped out in the storage area. Kind of cool. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see the paint's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Come around to the rear of the car. Luggage rack. This car will come with the owner's manual, a service manual. It has a few extra parts, and a couple of those parts being OEM headlight actuators, so basically the motors for the headlights. The headlights are working great on this one. I'm going to show you that when we start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek at the engine bay. But first, again, all the still pictures of this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Couple notes from the technician. Front brakes are 70%, rears are 60% remaining. Exhaust is complete with catalytic converter. Of course, this would be a rear / mid-engine car. He also mentioned the cruise was in op. I believe Pontiac kind of started out designing these as a sports car and ended up really hitting the 2-seat commuter car, kind of an economical. You got to remember the time these came out. They're just coming out of the gas price hikes because of oil embargoes and all of that good stuff and the EPA stuff. Things were just starting to get going again as far as the higher horsepower. And GM didn't want to compete with the Corvette. And that kind of turned into an economical commuter car. Have a great following. Cool cars. There you get a look at the door panel. Very clean interior again. Very original. Not a lot of wear. The seats, the bolsters, any of that tilt column. Show you these headlights quick too. Working great. Take a little closer look at this interior. So here's your miles, 45,566. AM/FM cassette, and that is working. I'm going to start it up. We'll get rid of the chime. There it went. So AM/FM cassette.
And support of agriculture. Honorees.
Stereo working. Fire it up. Come over here to the gauges. You can see our PMs are up. That was a cold start. Fuel gauge. Top of the dash. Looks good. Let this warm up just a little bit here. Door jar open light works. Alright, we're in neutral. I'm going to slip around to the back so you hear this run. Then I'm going to get everything open as far as that front storage area, engine bay, all of that. Again, 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder. Let me get everything popped open so we can check this out. Take a little peek and then stick around at the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. He's our local Fiero expert. Maybe he'll have a little knowledge when he takes it for a spin for you. Alright, first we're going to take a look under the front of the car. Like I mentioned. So this piece right here would come out, and that's kind of your wind buffer when you take the sunroof out, and the sunroof comes and sets here and here as far as the front and back go. You're going to see that in the still pictures. And then like I said, this piece is removed so it will fit, and that's kind of your wind buffer when you have the sunroof out. And like I said earlier, where the spare tire is, radiator, electric fan. You can see power brakes. Of course, the jack. Something else I forgot about until I got out of the car. It's kind of cool. They actually had speakers in the headrest. Then coming back around to the rear of the car. Now this warmed up, it's going to idle down. There we go. Right on cue. Of course, the battery would be underneath this panel right here. And then your actual storage area for luggage. Center two of golf clubs. Not going to need a lot of storage area with it being a 2-seater. Running pretty smooth. '84 Pontiac Fiero SE, actual mile car, 45,566. Carfax clean, no accidents indicated on it. Stick around, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Let's see what he has to say when he takes it for a spin. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're going to take a cruise in a 1984 Pontiac Fiero. The mid-engine car, America's first mid-engine, mass-produced vehicle. This one looking good in red exterior, brown interior with two different shades, complementing the red. 4-speed manual transmission for the most fun. This is the 4-cylinder. It gets you some pretty good miles per gallon, actually. Smooth running car. We have a sunroof over our head. Yeah, iconic pop-up headlights. I think you could see those. Fun features of the 80s. Very nice steering wheel. Looks like leather. The stereo sounding good.
We don't just hear you, we listen.
Blower motor works, the wipers work. Cloth bucket seats with a striped design, which I believe was only available in '84. And that engine in the back for the best cornering. This has a nice smooth ride. Even though it looks sporty, you get a soft ride. Tilt, wheel. Let's go down to second for the traffic circle. And yes, it does corner pretty flat. Feels very planted on the road. Find all the pictures of this 1984 Pontiac Fiero at uniqueclassiccars.com.